Hello, Indulge family, and welcome to my channel. So today we are going to infuse turmeric and ginger, and I'm going to do this 3 different ways because I want to experiment with apple cider vinegar and see how it compares with the alcohol. I know you can infuse with alcohol, but I know when I did it with rosemary, I could still smell the alcohol, and I just didn't feel comfortable using it on hair and face products. So this time I want to experiment with apple cider vinegar to see if that's another option. Then I'm going to use glycerin and water, essentially. So I did already chop up the vinegar and the turmeric. I used fresh. I cleaned it and I let it dry. I did not remove the skin because I know typically all of the nutrients are in the skin. So I didn't want to remove the skin. So I definitely didn't remove the skin. But I'm going to divide these up equally. And then we will see how it turns out. I'm making a mess here. I'm not really measuring. This was a cup, but I'm just trying to evenly distribute. But I'm probably going to do a little more of the water with the turmeric because I know that works. So this is the turmeric, and we're going to do the same with the ginger. I'll probably do a little less with the apple cider vinegar since I don't really know how it's going to react. And then I'll do the most with the water and the glycerin. All right, so for the first one, the vinegar, I'm just going to add enough to cover it. And these 2 are the vinegars. You just want to add just a little bit more to cover it. I'm just going to see how well it infuses, and if I don't like the way that it infuses, I'll just drink it. This is actually very healthy to drink. So the next one we're going to do, let's go ahead and do the water. So again, I want to put enough water to cover all of the apple cider vinegar. Okay, and the third one we're going to do is the alcohol. I'm using vodka. All right, that's good. We're just going to mix these a little bit. So this is our apple cider vinegar. This is our alcohol. And this is our water. Right, and with the water, I'm going to add glycerin. same with over here. So I'm just trying to add about 50% water, 50% glycerin. It helps preserve it. And I already see that starting to infuse. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to let this sit for 30 days. I'm going to stir it at least once a day. Okay, we are halfway through infusing our ginger and our turmeric, and I have shaken it every single day, and I do have some results. So the vinegar, which is this one and this one for the ginger and this one for the turmeric, it did not infuse near as much as the other two. So for this, I will finish infusing it. I will use it for, it's good to use for if you have itchy scalp or acne, but I'm not going to do this way again because it just didn't infuse enough for me to be happy with. This is the water for the ginger and for the turmeric, and this looks like it's the winner, which makes me very happy because the alcohol, I just didn't feel comfortable using this on hair and face because it has alcohol in it. And I know when I did my rosemary extract, I could smell the alcohol, but I do want to see if I can smell the alcohol in this. I can't really smell the alcohol, but I know it's in there. I can smell it a little bit. It almost smells drinkable. Now the ginger smells very good. I can't really smell the alcohol. Again, it smells drinkable. This is the water. It smells really good. I love the smell of fresh ginger. Oh, that's strong. That is the vinegar. All right, this is the water. I don't like the smell of the vinegar at all, but I've always wanted to try it. I know now I won't do it again. All right, so what I'm gonna do now, since we're halfway through, I am going to add at least a tablespoon to each. This is the turmeric. I want to make sure I don't get these mixed up. Now I like to add a little bit of the powder just so it will keep infusing, and I think I'm going to go ahead and do like another half a tablespoon. Again, I always, when I infuse, I like to make a concentrate. So that's the turmeric, and we're going to do the same with the ginger. Just do 2 heaping teaspoons. So I have less of the ginger. It only comes in this size. And then I'm going to fill each of them up with glycerin. I'm just leaving enough room to shake. I just want to finish this, but I don't need that much of the vinegar. So we're just going to give these a good shake. That's the alcohol. this is the water. And this is the vinegar. I am very happy with the way the turmeric infused. It's a beautiful color. And the last one. Okay, so I'm going to put these back into a dark area, and I'm going to give it another 15 days. And then we will have, I will finish up after another 15 days. And honestly, if I didn't add more, these would have been ready after 15 days. I don't think they would have infused anymore. But we'll see how it does since I added the powder. We'll see how it does after 15 days. Okay, we are wrapping up our turmeric ginger sort of experiment where we used the vinegar, we used water, and we used alcohol to infuse, and I just wanted to see which one worked the best. So today we're going to get the results. So I'm going to start with the ginger vinegar, and we're going to go ahead and strain these. I'm just using a first level strainer. When I go to actually use this, I will strain it again. So that's the vinegar. Actually, after 30 days, it infused pretty well. So that is our vinegar, apple cider vinegar. And next we're going to do our ginger water. Let's grab a spoon. And then lastly, for the ginger, we're going to do the alcohol. Still smells pretty good. Okay, so I'm going to try to do a close-up of these. To see if I can really tell the difference. And honestly, I can't visually see the difference in between the three of these. So if this is the case, I'm probably going to always use the water glycerin combination. All right, let's see if we have the same look with the turmeric. So we're going to do the vinegar first. Beautiful color. water is second. All right, so I do see a difference between the vinegar and the water with the turmeric. There's definitely a lighter color. So let's see how the alcohol does. So the real test is to see if there is a difference between the water and the alcohol. And honestly, I don't see a difference. So from now on, these are the alcohol and the water. And I don't see a difference. So from now on, I'm going to use a water glycerin combination. The alcohol doesn't have any benefit. As far as the vinegar, I will utilize the vinegar for both. I'm going to use it, this is the vinegar. I'll use it for my itch products for hair, and I'll also use it for acne because I use both turmeric and vinegar in those products anyway, and I also use apple cider vinegar in those. So that's just a good option to use for that. And as far as the other two, I'm just glad I finally have the answer to know which one infuses better. So I would love to hear your comments, to see what you've tried, or to get your opinion on this. And I guess I will see you in my next experiment. Thank you for watching. If you like this video or found it useful, please like and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button so you'll be notified when I do new videos. So thank you so much for watching, and goodbye, and